Good evening, classmates. My name is Juan Esteban Serna Cardona. I am single. I have little baby. I am from Caldas, Antioquia. I am study engineer food. My trip experience in San Andres Islas. In my life, I went to the island of San Andres of June 2007, where I stayed 4 days. To the trip, I was accompanied by my girlfriends. I like a beautiful island with a very warm weather in which you should wear comfortable clothes and that protect trip. You must have a good amount of money to cover the main expenses. I like it because there were many places to visit. Good evening, classmates. My name is Juan Esteban Serna Cardona. I am single. I have little baby. I am from Caldas, Antioquia. I am study engineer food. My trip experience is San Andres Islas. In my last vacation, I went to the islands of San Andres and Providencia in the month of June of 2017, where I stayed 4 days. To the trip, I was accompanied by my girlfriends. I liked the trip because I knew a beautiful island with a very warm weather in which you should wear comfortable clothes and that protects from the sun. To plan this trip, you must have a good amount of money to cover the main expenses. I liked it because there were many places to visit. I made a tour through the Sea of Seven Colors, the Morgan Cave, among other tourist sites. I sailed by boat and counted several species of island. After the 4 days pace, we returned to the city of Medellin as I start working again. People should take care of the island. 2. Take care of the species of the island. 3. Visitors should follow the recommendation and authorities. 4. Visitors should visit the of the Seven Colors, the island of Morgan, the Blower Post, among others. What people should not do. People on the should not litter the beaches. In a strip of the city you should not drink liquor. People should not be on the beach and authorities. Times people should be in the boats if you can leave. Description: San Andres is a beautiful island that in general is always sunny. Its beaches are very beautiful and has great biodiversity, has many tourist sites. The center of the city is small and is very pleasant to walk in the weekend. Your recommendation: to visit San Andres is recommended. Always use wear comfortable clothes in leaks. Use be at the indicated times. Carry your personal documentation. Use comfortable shoes. Follow the recommendation of the island authorities. Bye. Evening.